Bike vlog number 2 in progress. What's up, guys? Again, back with another bike vlog. I'm kind of still just hanging out in the same spot and whatnot. So, bike vlog number 2 is probably most of the whatever you want to call it. I feel wind gusts. Last video you guys didn't hear it, so that was actually pretty good. Pretty rainy. It was raining yesterday and all, but more of like a sprinkle type thing. Don't have on the gloves today. I couldn't find them from yesterday's video, so that sucks. But you know, we'll still get some good stuff going, so we should be good. Whatnot. Yeah, we're kind of rocking this little small vlog, I guess. You'll be seeing this tomorrow, and you'll be seeing this here today, I guess, if you watch this same day. I was down here a little bit this morning trying to work on my wheelies just a little bit, but I couldn't really get nowhere because I used to be really good at wheelies. I mean, I just now got this mountain bike, like I said in my last video. But never mind, it wasn't my last video, because my last video I never uploaded. But yeah, anyway, I just got this bike and whatnot, so I'm going to start from scratch, learning how to wheelie on this thing and stuff. So I mean, it's still fun. I mean, it's a nice bike. I like riding it, whatnot. I mean, I traded that bike right there for this bike right here. So I honestly think it was a good trade. I kind of built that bike, so I put the wheels and pegs and stuff on there. Make sure we're still rolling. Let's go back down. We'll just cruise back. It's kind of cold. I'm kind of in shorts and whatnot instead of my riding pants and stuff. Today I'm just kind of cruising. I was really coming out just to get a little leg workout, but then seeing that you guys were, Alright, I kind of got off the word though. Some YouTubers may know what I mean. Like the little YouTubers. My balance point, I just couldn't get over the fear of holding it. It's in between looping out and just perfect. My vlogs may suck, but you know what? I don't really mind if they suck or not, but I'm really just kind of practicing getting good for moto vlogs. Whenever I get over, I'm going to make a moto vlogging channel, so I'm trying to get myself practiced up for it. So I'm just going to make some little bike vlogs. Being how I'm only 13, don't have my license yet. Moving fast wheelies, they're kind of ish hard. I mean, they're not hard, but they're not easy either. I'm about to end this video here, so I'll do a couple more wheelies for the video whatnot, but that's almost about to be it, guys. I'll hit a couple more wheelies for you, and then that'll be the end of this vlog. Here we go. Hopefully we can. Oh, mountain's falling here. Oh, I gotta fix my mount. It's not necessarily a mount, it's a whatever you want to call it. A belt. I just use it as a mount. Every time my gripper is broke. So yeah, I'll hit a couple more wheelies for you guys. Right quick. Oh, that was the balance point, baby. Ah, it's kind of hard with the pressure on my chest, but it's alright. Oh, looped out. That's very common with wheelies, just looping out. Like Dank Willie, X-Beam, all of them, they all know what I mean by looping out. I mean, not Dank Willie, but X-Beam. You know what I'm talking about looping out on a bike, and I'm sure a lot of wheelie people, or people that do wheelies on bikes know what I mean. I wish I could get behind the car right now and just do a wheelie on camera. But that's about it, guys. I'm gonna end it here. I'll do an outro wheelie, and then that'll be it. So yeah, guys, that's gonna end it right here. That's the end of this. Peace out.